In Geoweaver, a process refers to a specific task or computation that you want to perform. This could be a script written in Python, a shell script. Geoweaver supports various types of code scripts, including shell, Python, Python notebook, and built-in processes. Processes encapsulate the logic and algorithms required to perform these tasks efficiently. Let's dive into creating our first process. Start by clicking on the New Process button in the left panel. This will open a pop-up window where you can define the details of your new process. In the pop-up, you'll see fields for the process, language, process name, and a code editor where you'll write your script. Let's choose Python as our language and name our process. After writing your script in the code editor, you have three options. Click Add to save your new process, or click Run to save and execute it immediately or cancel creating the process. Let's click Add. Your process is now created and saved in the process list. When you select a process from the process list on the left panel, the main panel will display the code editor, showing your script, and several options at the top of the editor like History, Edit, Run, Delete, and Maximize. Upon selecting Run, you'll be prompted to specify a few details. First, select the host where the process should execute. Let's select localhost. Next, choose the appropriate environment from the environment list. Finally, you will be asked to enter the password that was set up during your Geoweaver installation, and once you select Confirm, the process will execute on the specified host with the chosen configurations. The output of your script will be displayed in the log section of the code editor. You have successfully executed your first process in Geoweaver. Geoweaver is a powerful software tool. One of its standout features is the automatic recording of every execution and change made to your processes, allowing you to easily track and review your work history. Let's take a closer look at the history feature. After running a process in Geoweaver, you can access the history by clicking on the History button in the top right corner. The main panel shows History section, displaying a graph that visualizes the number of executions over time. The table provides valuable information, such as the time of execution, duration, and status, making it easy to track and monitor your work. If you need to review the code changes made between executions, simply select View Changes. Under Actions column of an execution, this will display a side-by-side comparison of the code, highlighting the differences between the selected execution and the previous one. The Code Diff View is a powerful tool for tracking and understanding the evolution of your processes over time. Additionally, you can access the output of a specific execution by clicking Details of an execution.